Hi everybody, we're back in Creature Time to draw the Dodo Bird. Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. What's up everybody, and welcome to another drawing cartoon tutorial. And I heard chickens. Sorry. I got distracted. What was I saying?
Picture of our rooster, Stripes.
Yeah, we'll do.
Right here. He's in the corner somewhere on the top of the screen right now.
Today we are not drawing chickens. We are drawing a dodo bird. And not just any dodo bird. This is the dodo bird from the Wild Kratts. Somebody requested this, and we'll flash it up on the screen here. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to turn our papers landscape or sideways, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, let's take our 3Ps out, our paper, our pen, and our pencil. Hopefully you have an eraser as well, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a beautiful circle. Right underneath that beautiful circle, we're going to draw a football shape. A very football shape. So if you go straight down, we're going to go over just slightly, and we're going to make a giant football. That looks kind of like a football, or an eye, or maybe an eyeball could be in there or something. All right, once you got that, we're going to connect this circle with this football, just like this. There we go. You know what? His chest is sticking out a little bit too much, so I'm gonna just flatten it a little bit. I'm gonna flatten it a little bit right there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Flatten my football. All the air came out. Okay, let's keep going. So now we got a beautiful here. We're gonna go over to the back end of this football. We're gonna make a big rainbow. Isn't that a beautiful rainbow? Look at all those colors. And then we're going to put a curved line underneath it. Yuck. What did I do? Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna fix my rainbow a little bit. Should look a little bit more rainbowy. There we go. Okay. A nice big curved line is basically all we're trying to do here. Okay. Rainbow, and then a little curved line underneath it. Okay, once you got the curved line underneath it, right from the corner here, we're going to make a triangle. Right after you make that triangle, we're going to make a big happy face, just like that. And then right after that happy face, all the way to the end, we're going to make a little happy face, a little happy. And then right in here, we're going to just draw a line going up, like that. And right above that, a little line like that. And then right on the very tippy top of this rainbow, we're going to make another curved line just like that. All right, let's go over to the face. This is actually going to be the hardest part, so I'm kind of trying not to do it because I don't like doing the hard stuff. But we should do it. So right in the middle of our circle, we're going to draw a line, and it's going to go straight out just like that. So it's kind of like, so if this is the center of your circle, you're going to go all the way out straight. Okay, right into the little bit of neck, right about here, right there. We're also going to make another straight line, and we're going to make it go right out. And then we're going to connect both of these with a nice big curved line. This is going to be the hardest part, so we are going to take care of the hard part now. Woohoo! All right, once you've got this kind of shape here, we're going to, right on the end here, we're going to make a little triangle. So it's going to be a slanty line going this way, pointing down to his body, and then going straight up. Now what we're going to do is over here on the end of the circle, we are going to make a little line that goes out just a little bit, right here, like that. And then we're going to slant it straight down. Okay, once you have that, we are going to, we're still good. Okay, we're going to bring this little slanting line out just a little bit out of this little box thingy here. We're going to do a little slanty line right here, just like that. So we got two little shooter missiles going downwards. And then we're just going to connect them with a straight line like that. Now we're going to get rid of this part right here. All right. Okay. Now what we're going to do is his eyeball right here. We're going to make a circle. All right. On the side of the circle, we're going to make a little... Okay, that works. We just want to make a little bit of a darker spot on one side of the back of his eye. And then inside his eyeball, we're going to just do a nice circle like that. And then we're going to drop a little teeny tiny circle inside there and fill this in. All right. We're going to draw two little lines underneath his eye like that. And then a big lines curve, I guess a C, letter C right there. Okay. Once we have that, we're going to draw a little bump, just a teeny little bump like that. And then we can erase this bit right here. And then we're going to draw just a little, I'm not sure what you want to call that. I don't know if you can tell, but the sun keeps going in and out, and it gets dark and light in here, but I don't know how dark it's getting. Hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, let's go ahead and finish off his mouth, because he's got a very strange mouth. Right underneath here, we're going to do, right underneath his eyeball, we're going to do a little letter C, like that. And then we're going to shoot a line going up. And then as soon as we get to the end of this circle, we're going to start shooting the line straight down, all the way down to this weird box thing we made. So we're going to shoot it straight down, right about there. Then we're going to, once we shoot it straight down here, then we're going to draw a straight line right down. Boom, just like that. All right, let's go to the other part of his big nose thing. And we're going to just draw a slanty line like that. I guess we could draw a circle. That might be easier. Do a big thing like that. And then we're going to draw from here a straight line over there. Okay, actually let's connect all this stuff. So all this is connected. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to fill all this in. All right. We're going to get rid of this right here. We're going to get rid of this right here. And we're going to get rid of this right here. Okay. We are going to draw another little straight line and a straight line going up. Does it connect? I'm not sure. So a straight line going across and then a little line connecting up to his mouth. Just like that. All right. That was the hardest part. That was the hardest bit right there. So now we can erase this. All right, now what we're going to do is from this little weird bump thing that we made, we're going to make a straight line going across. Oh, well, okay, that's fine. We still that. Straight line going across like that. And then we're going to go all the way down to his mouth. Make a curved line going all the way down to his mouth like that. And then we're actually going to take this little line and we're going to go straight down his body, all the way down like that. All right, something I forgot to mention is on this side of the circle, we're going to just cut a piece off of the circle with a slanted line, and then we're going to erase that bit right there. All right, so I'm running out of room here with my circle, so I'm going to give myself a little bit more circle. Your drawings will always be way better than mine. Okay, all right, it's fine. We're going to erase this part right here, like that. We're going to erase this part right here, like that. And we're going to erase this part right here like that. And we're going to erase this part right here like that. We're going to go over to his tail. We're going to erase this part like this. And this. I think we're erasing this part right here like that. Okay. All right. Let's get his wing. And the way we're going to do that is a giant happy face like that. Little smile. Then we're going to do a little smaller smile right above it. And then we're going to connect these two smiles with, with a straight line. Just like that. Then we're going to, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Or two number threes. There's a 3 right there and a 3 right there, right on top of each other. We're gonna go to the other side now, and we're gonna go a little bit of all these little backwards bumps, just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Basically, we're making his wing. Okay, let's go down to the bottom here, and we're going to right underneath this big, actually right underneath this line that we made. We're going to make a nice big bump. Or a happy face. Nice big happy face bump. Right next to that happy face bump, we're going to make a letter, just a curved line, I guess. So it connects right there in the middle. It goes from the top of the body and connects right about halfway there. All right. Out of both of these, at the bottom, we're going to make almost like rectangles, except for the lines are going slanty outward, and then we're going to connect them. This one can be, actually this one could be more a rectangle. All right. Make sure that this one is longer than this one. So you see how it ends down here? That's good. This one ends up there a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to go to this one first. We're going to make a nice big egg shape right over here. It's not the best egg, but okay. And then we're going to make another big egg right here. So we've got 2 eggs. We're going to connect these eggs from the side of this rectangle with just a curved line. Just like that. And then on the other side of these eggs, we're going to connect the 2 eggs together with a sad frown. We can erase this part here. All right, we're going to draw just a little thin oval, just like that. Right above this, we're going to make a rainbow. Whoa, wait. A thin rainbow, like that. And one more like that. And then we're going to put little black flat ovals in them. On the other side, we're going to do kind of the same thing. We're going to give him a little egg over here. A little egg over here. We don't want to get in front. We don't want to put the egg into this rectangle. So if you kind of are going into it, then it's behind the rectangle. So we're not going to worry about it. We're going to connect it again with the 2 happy face curvy lines, just like that, into the rectangle. And then on the side of each oval, a sad one, just like that. We're going to erase the parts right here. I'm trying to think if there's something I'm missing here, but I don't think so. All right. So then we're going to get rid of one line on there. You know what? We're going to do some extra stuff here. Let's do a flat oval here, a flat oval there. And then we're going to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to have it 3 lines going down that way. And then, you know what? I'm going to actually, I think I'm going to connect these. There we go. Because it kind of looks more like bird feet. So that's extra detail. So there you go. There you go. There's a dodo bird. Wild Kratts. So ink these in, color them up, drop them into our Facebook page. We will post them up on Facebook. We'll post them up here on the community, here on YouTube, and hey, I hope you guys had a good. I'm just babbling now. All right, so let's hear the theme music. Take me out. Wild Kratts. Wild Kratts. All right. So you guys. Okay, so there are a few things I did miss. So let's take a look real quick over here by the tummy. Instead of it just being straight line like that, it should actually curve around with his belly, just like that. So we're going to just follow that. So it looks more like that. Okay, is that cool? Everyone got that? Hopefully. And then on his toes, I just noticed I didn't actually draw anything attaching his toes to his feet. The toes are just hanging out here. So we need to do from the top of each one just these little curved lines going up there like that. Okay, there you go. There's your final dodo. See you guys later. Keep on drawing. The more you do, the better. You comment below if you want to see something else. The more you do, the better you get. Bye. What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.